I'm Sarah Dacre, a librarian at the Osceola Campus Library at Valencia College, and this video is going to show you how to use multidisciplinary databases to find articles for literature research. A multidisciplinary database is one that covers multiple subjects. We've looked at subject-specific databases, which tend to cover one field. Multidisciplinary databases have a little bit of everything. So in the same database, you'll find articles on biology, psychology, literature, art, and so on. As you can see, I'm at the library catalog. I've already logged into Atlas and clicked Search the Library. From here, I'm going to click Databases by Subject, and this will bring me to the database list. Since our multidisciplinary databases contain multiple subjects, you'll find them under the category General. Now, there are numerous databases here that can help you, but I'm going to focus on two today. The first one we'll visit is Academic Search Complete. In most subject-specific databases, you can get away with doing a keyword search of perhaps one general keyword. But when you work in multidisciplinary databases, you need to be a little more specific. For today's search, I'm going to use the playwright August Wilson and his play Fences. In a subject-specific database, we could simply search Fences and find relevant information. But if I put the word fences into a multidisciplinary database, I would get hundreds and hundreds of articles, very few of them actually having to do with the play Fences. So my first suggestion would be to enter your author or poet or playwright's name. So I'm going to put in August Wilson. My second keyword will be the play or the title of the story you're looking for. So I'm going to put in Fences. Now you could do a search like that and see whatever the database has to return. Or you can look at a theme or character in your play or short story and do another keyword for that. So I'm going to use the term blues, as in blues music, to look for this topic in August Wilson's Fences. So the search I've just entered is telling the database I want every article that mentions August Wilson, only if it mentions Fences, and then on top of that, only the articles about August Wilson's Fences that mention the term blues. Your last step in the database is to click the full text checkbox. Now we're ready to do our search. Since we entered 3 keywords, we've really narrowed down our search already. You can see we only got 3 results. Typically, if you had more results, you would see other ways to limit your search down the left side of the page. You can see you can limit by publication date and source type, so if you need a scholarly or popular article. Sometimes you'll see the ability to limit your search by subject as well, but since we did a very specific search, we don't have that option right now. In Academic Search Complete, you can just click on the title of the article that looks interesting to you. You'll be able to read the abstract of the article, which is essentially the summary. And on the left-hand side, you'll look for some kind of full text option. So if I click PDF full text, it's now going to load the entire article for me to read. This is what you want to read and cite in your paper. In Academic Search Complete, you have some options on the right-hand side. You can print the article. You can email it to yourself. You can get MLA or APA citation help. And you can even download the PDF to your computer or to a flash drive to use in the future. The second database we're going to look at is called JSTOR. JSTOR, again, is also a multidisciplinary database, so we'll want to go to Advanced Search so we can enter as many keywords as possible. I'm going to do a similar search. I'm going to put in the name of my playwright. I'm also going to put in the name of the play. I'm going to click here to add another option so I can add another keyword, And I'm going to pick a different theme from fences. I'm going to put in baseball. Now in JSTOR, the one option you want to pick before you search is down here. You want to make sure that you check off articles. JSTOR has, as you can see, books, pamphlets, book reviews. So we want to make sure that we're getting scholarly articles back in our search. Click search. And here are your search results. You can see we got a lot more from this database, 149. JSTOR doesn't offer many options to limit your search once you've already done it. So I'm going to click on the title of the article I'm interested in. JSTOR shows you a scan of the article, but you can open it in a PDF, so it's a little easier to read. Unfortunately, JSTOR doesn't really offer you the opportunity to get a sample citation, email the article to yourself, or save it. As you can see, it will only give you the article information. This is what will be emailed to you, whether you pick the email option, the save option. For the citation option, again, it only gives you the information you need to create the citation. So you can use this information and then put it all in the right order using your own knowledge of MLA. Now, Academic Search Complete and JSTOR are only two of the multidisciplinary databases that we have. Here are some others that have shown to have literature research within them as well.